So, hello guys, you're reviewing Tech. So, today we are going to unbox realme C30. So, you can see the box here. So, this is yellow in color. So, guys, let's unbox it. So, guys, this is the yellow box. You can see that. So, let's take it. Okay. First itself, we can see what the user manual. So, guys, this is a safety guide and this is a quick guide, and we can see the pin also here, dare to lead. So let's keep it side. So guys, this is the phone. So let's keep it side, and this is a white charger and the white cable, and this is a micro USB cable. So guys, this is a charger specification you can see here. And now let's move on to the cable. So this is a cable you can see. So guys, this is the cable, and this is the micro USB, you can see that, and this is the USB cable. So guys, this is a SIM ejector tool, you can see that. So they have given in a design. So now let's go to the phone. So guys, this is a phone. So let's take it. So first we can see there is a super finish on the back side, and there is a big camera here, flashlight, and it's written AI camera. So let's see this side. So there is we can put the SIM here, headphone jack, mic, micro USB cable, and this is a speaker. So upside there is nothing. This is the front camera, and here is also there is a speaker, earpiece, and volume button, power button. So guys, we can put the two SIM here, and there is micro SD. So we can expand up to 1 TB. Guys, let's on the phone and see. So guys, the weight of the phone is 183 gram, and so now it's owning realme, powered by Android. So the version is Android 11. Now it's showing the company name realme. So it has came to the home page, and the display is 1.5 inch display and HD plus display, you can see, and the colors are okay. So when we are outside, there will be good brightness, so you can see. Now you can see while we are outside, the brightness is decent. So guys, you can also see the clarity of the phone. So guys, you can also see the clarity of the phone. So I think the color are good, and the vibrance are great, and the display inch is 6.5 inch. These are the modes: video, capture, portrait, and more option, pro, panorama, time lapse, night. So with night, so now it's not night, now it's day, so we will take another time. So guys, we can record up to HD 30 fps and HD 30 fps here, 720p, and SD 480p 30 fps. We can take it on only 30 fps every time. So guys, the specifications of the phone are Android version 11, processor Uniso processor, and the RAM is 3.0 GB. So Android 11. So guys, the total storage of the phone is 32 GB, and we can expand up to 1 TB. And now when we get the phone, we will get 26 GB. So guys, about the battery, this phone has 5000 mAh battery, and it can go up to 1 day. So there is battery saver, battery manager, and ultra saving mode, battery percentage. You can on this, and there here we can see the battery percentage now. Guys, now let's test the speakers. So you can just hear. So guys, up to the price point, the speaker is good. So guys, did you like the phone? Did you like the video? So like and subscribe guys. Your TikTok is signing up.